I believe nothing should hold us back from going on adventures as we navigate life's twists and turns. The support of family and friends motivates us to keep pushing forward. Having Mooncool's trike is just like having a supportive friend. It's sturdy, reliable. I don't need to worry about it failing me. It effortlessly takes us across different terrains. There's no crossbar in between, so it's easy to get in and off. The huge cargo space also opens up endless possibilities. We're ready for any journey, exploring the city, enjoying the sun. We can be as free and alive as ever. Life's an ongoing adventure, and each moment is an opportunity for something new and exciting.